Hello everyone, this is PK Entertainment and we are back again, and we have another drawing video for you now, and this time we're going to concentrate on a character known as He-Man. Now I'm sure pretty much everybody is familiar with this character, but just in case anybody who's watching isn't, He-Man is the lead character from the iconic animated series from 1983, which concentrates on a strong, powerful warrior, the lead character from the title, and he's aided by the power of Grayskull, and he unites with other heroes to protect the planet Eternia from the forces of evil, primarily led by the villainous Skeletor. So when you're drawing He-Man, I think as well as having a sound idea of anatomy and structure of the body, you need a good understanding of drawing musculature, and in particular how thick and round muscles can be, and making sure you're able to draw physiques and figures that are ripped. You want to give that kind of real kind of shredded, ripped look about He-Man. So you need to be able to draw detailed physiques and also vascularity. When I mean vascularity, I'm talking about where you have shredded arms and chest, where you can almost see like the veins popping out. You know that we normally say a lot with bodybuilders, right? Because He-Man is a very strong, well-conditioned, athletic character, so you really want to showcase that when you're drawing him. So make sure that you can first of all draw the typical anatomy from just constructing the figure using lines and curves as you would generally do when you're learning to draw, and then learn to get the more muscular structure, the more muscular physiques when drawing the characters as well. So I've just shown you a couple of examples here where you would draw the kind of almost stick figure to begin with, then you would almost mold the figure using your circles and cylinders, that what you'll see later on in the drawing, and then you'll then go on to draw the more muscular physique. So just start off simple with the muscular, learn again, use actual pictures and references to learn the chest, the pectorals and the six-pack, and learn how they line together with the body. Learn about the arms where you have the three set structure, the shoulders, the biceps and triceps, and then the forearms as well. So get a sound understanding of that first before you then go on to draw the much more developed and much more muscular detailed physiques and figure overall. Now when you're drawing He-Man, yes, you want to draw him very muscular, very detailed, but you don't want to draw him overly bulky. He still has that lean, athletic, conditioned look. This isn't the Incredible Hulk physique. You don't want to go for that. You know, you want to make sure you get a kind of middle, above average muscular range when you're drawing the character as well. So just bear that in mind when you're concentrating on drawing a character. So I think as long as you have a sound understanding of how to draw muscular figures, then you really can't go wrong too much with He-Man. We will be concentrating of course on the iconic 80s version, so his costume isn't really that detailed, so it's not really that complex or difficult to draw, so it's not that hard. You know, you can pick various references as well, so just make sure you have a sound understanding, as I said, of drawing that really kind of strong jawed muscular type of character, and you really can't go wrong in terms of drawing this particular image of this character. So overall, I'm going to show you now just a quick few sketches as I normally do with these videos. You'll see now just the early drafts and early kind of sketches that I draw on here. I always do this regarding any character just so I can get a particular feel before I proceed with the finished product. So you'll just see a few examples on here. Now if you get more confident enough, then you may go on to draw the character straight away, and you won't need to do these kind of rough drafts or sketches, and that's great. If you have a confident feel in terms of how to draw the character, that's fantastic, but I'm someone who always likes to do a rough draft first. So these are just a couple of examples, again, nothing special. Again, you'll just see a few gestures and poses followed by a few overall drafts of what I'm showing on here, and they will look similar to overall on a finished piece that you will see in a minute within this video. So that's it for now really. So when you see the time-lapse video here, again you'll see the pencil and the inks on here, and the coloured version will be drawn in another video. So let me know what you think, if you've got any suggestions or ideas or queries or questions regarding this drawing that I produce on here, or regarding any other videos of my artwork. You can check them out within the playlist Drawing and Art videos. You can also find more of my art on my Instagram profile as well as my DeviantArt profile as well, and I'll put all the links in the description for you as well. So just let me know if you look at this picture, and indeed if you'd like to see me draw any other characters from the He-Man series, any other villains you'd like to see me draw from the series, then just let me know. As I mentioned, they are also very up for incarnation, so would you like me to draw any designs from the 2002 version, say? There was a reboot recently and I really like that version as well, so if you'd like to draw any characters from that particular version, then let me know in the comments as well. There will be more drawings coming soon, so others will be Battle Angel Alita and One Punch Man as well, and they'll be coming very shortly on it. But let me know if you have a favourite character from any series, whether it's Marvel, DC, anime or any other franchise. Let me know if you'd like to see me draw a character from those particular franchises, and I will do so in the future. But that's it for now. I've talked long enough now, so enjoy the drawing of He-Man, take care of yourselves, stay at safe distances, and enjoy this drawing of He-Man in the following video.